Let's make a slime. Let's get a bowl. Now a paper towel, for it we have a mess. Here is our reference. Clear glue, about 15 milliliters. Water room temperature, 25 milliliters. Mix with a spoon. Now add 5 milliliters of activator. Mix again with a spoon. Now I added some pink paint. After that, mix with a spoon. Then add any things you want. Then mix whatever is in the bowl. See if you can have good bubble pops. Make sure to have tiny plastic cups and lids. Sorry, I forgot to record the rest. But all you do is put it in a container or plastic cups. Then take it out, and there you go.